Hello, my name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bongsoo, we will introduce a special lecture that Labor Attorney Jung Bongsoo will deliver to the student of the Sungkyunkwan University this afternoon. So, could you introduce what is the content of the lecture?
Hello, how are you today? This is Bongsoo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'm going to give a lecture regarding immigration and labor law, also their applications in the workplace. So I have given this lecture at this Sungkyunkwan University MBA program. So since this Sungkyunkwan University MBA program had a retained relationship with this labor law firm, I always visited and gave some these lectures. So what the lecture is like is I focus on the immigration and also labor law related issues. So why I choose those topics is they all the foreign students working in MBA program want to get a job in Korea. So if they stay long, they must have a working visa or some resident visa. So first one, they need to get job seeking visa D10. Then they work there as a part time or some short term contract employee. Then after they feel secured, then later they have to apply for E7 visa. E7 visa is a professional visa. So D10, it has a job seeking visa has a limitation for they can stay up to 2 years. For more than 2 years, they have to leave Korea if they could not get a job in Korea. So they need to get a E7 visa. So when they have E7 visa, then now they throw the point the based the permission for visa, they need to change it to F2 visa. So why they need to have a resident visa is that if now they have an E7 visa, then they work there maybe several years. But if they are fired, then without some letter of release, I mean the permission to leave that company. So if they do not have anything like that, then they must leave Korea. They will be deported by immigration law. So so even though they are fired, they can stay in Korea if they have a resident visa. That's why they need a safe visa. Also, after they getting a safe visa, then 3 years later they can apply for resident visa. It's F5. Then they can stay long. Also, they are treated like Koreans. So in that case, they will not worry about. Only what they worry is how to get the better pay. Also where they can work. I think so. F4 visa holders, they are treated like Korean. They have freedom to choose their occupation. Also, they can quit their job anytime. Yeah, that's different. Yeah.
I see. I think compared to other lectures that the Sungkyunkwan University will deliver by professors, I mean, this kind of lecture will be quite valuable for the foreign student, especially if they are seeking for a new job after the graduation. And also the visa issue is very important. So what kind of frequently asked questions do you get during your lecture?
Yeah, my lecture also I explain labor law, also basic understanding how to deal with the labor issue. So some graduate students here, if their legal background is from England or Commonwealth countries, including America, so they follow the English and American style law, like we call common law legal system. So they don't have a labor standard act. Labor standard act must have a penal provision for violation, but like America or British, they have a labor law, but they don't have such a strict regulation or penal provisions. So I usually explain the legal difference. So from Korea, like Korea has followed some continental legal system. That means we have a strict regulation for like applying like for labor violation. But for example, typical example is termination or dismissal in Korea. So even though it's just violation in the employment contract, but labor law, especially Article 23, stipulate without justifiable cause, employee cannot fire or some reduce salary or assign them to other positions, something. So this is the Korean labor law is very strict to protect protection for foreign, any workers in the workplace. So I try to explain difference between common law legal system and continental legal system. Korea belongs to the continental legal system. Yeah.
So I see. So compared to nowadays, the Korean government is allowing a number of labor workers as well as household maids to come to Korea to assist in agriculture or fishery or like household jobs. But compared to them, I think a graduate from this university can be a very good high-level resource for the Korean society. So, do you know how many percentage of those students can settle down in Korea and get a new job and stay longer?
Yeah, I don't have any clear data, but approximately 1/3 of foreign students settle down. Not 2/3, yeah, just 1/3. That means maybe 2/3 of foreign students leave Korea after their graduation. So this is a waste of our resources. So foreign students who graduate from like graduate school or university, they are very capable and necessary people in Korean culture or Korean workplace. Like they can work as a bridge role because they are multilingual. Also, they understand some they are like the company's attitude, behavior. So like they can be a good the employee who make a bridge between two Korean and foreign the countries. Also, they can easily get settled down in Korea because they have stayed in Korea already, maybe minimum 2 years, maximum more than 4 years. So I think they will be very important resources we can use and apply for the development of our technology. Yeah.
I see. And you are also specialist and written your thesis on the foreign labor. So I hope the Korean government could bring up some good policy to utilize high-level resources like these students. Do you agree?
Yeah, I very much hope so. Through this lecture, they prepare in advance for the days when they graduate from their graduate school. Then based on my knowledge, I'm sure, I hope they learn something and they prepare in advance, like improving Korean language, also trying to find the most profitable or most eligible job for their life. Yeah.
I see. Good luck with your lecture and thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye.